Chief Minister, Finance Minister. The Finance Secretary, however, budget discussion seems to be making a feint accompaniment of the situation on the pretext of complex software changes. Oh, Finance Secretary to the note, huh? If that's the case, why was no action taken to address? This is against Sherkhan, this noting of Finance Secretary. On 15 September, the Chief Secretary wrote to relieve him. Because basically of his incompetence and being a part of mechanism and manipulations in finance area. So now, जी आम्ही एनसीपी कितें ते केन्ना आयकोंक ना फकत प्रेस करता आम्ही ते परगणे तेणेन एक्शन घेतले आयज आणि आयज फर्स्ट टाइम आख्खे इंडियेक इकॉनॉमिक सर्वे बिफोर द बजेट जी मांडूंक ना द इनकॉम्पिटन्स ऑफ दिस ऑफिसर he was the director of planning and statistics and evaluation. It was the incompetence of this very officer which the government could not present it, and therefore in a hurry they sent him away. And there is a team of officers under him, because he was sent on 2nd March, the whole thing doesn't paralyze. But nothing was prepared, and there is in 14 the Finance Secretary says that we have to put the working done was not proper as the correct fiscal projection is not being made. And Chief Minister त्यांना तो सांगता की we can correct it next time. Nothing. This is the seriousness of it, and this was the reason he was not being allowed to go. Kept here, given facilities. This is just the tip of the iceberg, what we have projected. Ncp demands that his dues regarding this 11 lakhs, what is being shown, should not be given to him. Or write to the central government to withhold, hold an inquiry and recover the amount from him. Ncp demands the intervention of the tribal minister if he has got any concern for the tribal brothers and sisters, to get Anand Sherkhan before that committee and make an inquiry and complete that inquiry one way or the other.